Hi watercolor friends. Today we are going to paint clouds. I'm going to mix ultramarine blue, almost poured in too much water, and I'm going to start with the blue sky on top. Cleaning the brush and dampen the clouds underneath. Not too much water. Trying to soften the edges and make them look fluffy. Tend to use too much water, so I'm going to take some off. Clean the brush and lift up some color. Now that the blue sky is dry, we will add a new layer of ultramarine blue, hoping to achieve a more even texture. Soften the edges with a clean, damp brush. While our ultramarine sky is drying, I will mix the shady color of the cloud using raw sienna, a touch of cadmium red with ultramarine blue. Wetting the paper where the cloud will be, but keep away from the blue. Dilute the brownish shadow color with lots of water to keep the clouds fluffy looking. Back to ultramarine blue, adding water and more blending. Since watercolor dries lighter, I sometimes paint an area over again, like here, to darken the cloud's shadow color. Add more ultramarine blue to the previously mixed dark brown. I called it shady color. And fill in the rest of the sky with watery ultramarine blue. I tear a paper napkin in half, cover the dry sky, and mix yellow, blue, and our shady color together. It seems in every tutorial I forget to push the camera button once. I added medium green to yellow green. Let it dry, then mix dark green for the grass. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.